Question 22. So for this one, you have to take special care with the x squared minus 16. All right. X squared minus 16 can be expressed in terms of x squared minus 4 squared. So if you are aware of the
A squared minus B squared equals A plus B, A minus B.
yes. So you should put this out in the first place.
To which I can factorize out the x plus 4 later on.
You can change it. There are many ways to do it. You can change the denominator to be the same.
Or I can give it x minus 4. Actually, yeah,
That's what I mean by making the denominator same.
Give it x
So
minus 4.
over here, you keep this as the same,
Then I
but
change
you introduce x minus 4 at the top.
Okay.
Since you introduce x minus 4 at the top, you should do the same for the bottom. So you do a check here, x minus 4, so that's correct. And then you can simplify it now. You can combine the two fractions.
So it's 1 plus 2 first, or is it the 2x minus 4 first? Bottom is actually 2x minus 4 first, because it's supposed to multiply.
You are supposed to expand after that.
Expand later.
Yeah.
Okay, so then
So bring it. The issue is you tend to have careless mistakes. So my advice for you is do it step by step.
Okay.
So once you're here, I'm actually breaking down into a lot of steps so that you can see how it works and you can reduce your careless mistake. So this is the moment where you expand the brackets at the top.
1 plus 2x minus.
And then for the bottom, because the question says simplest form, so you need to remove the bracket at the bottom. Can revert back to its x squared minus 16 because you don't need you don't need the x plus 4, x minus 4.
Okay.
At the top, just simplify it and that'll give you the final answer. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's about it.
So basically, I do 2x, expand the 2x minus 4 first, then I add the 1 in, then simplify it. As for the denominator, because I can break down the denominator of 2 of fraction A.
You should yawn first, then you talk. Okay.
Well, I can break down the denominator of fraction A such that it equals to x minus 4, x plus 4. I can then give fraction B x minus 4 on both the denominator and the numerator, therefore making it a like fraction. Put the 2 and 2 together, expand to x minus 4, throw in the 1 for good measure, simplify, and the answer is there.
Throw in the 1 for good measure. Okay. All right. Okay, just now you mentioned something about factorization. You can actually bring out the x minus 4. There's a much faster way to do this.
Would that be the faster way, or would that be the more complicated way?
It will be complicated for beginners. So since you mentioned about that, we could work on that actually.
Why?
So if you could look at the screen again with your phone so you can magnify it. All right, you could actually bring out the x plus 4 here. This is complicated, but I just wanted to share with you.
But that means I have a numerator of what, a denominator.
You should get something like that. And then over here, you can simplify the ones in the bracket. So I'm just going to skip a few steps because you're aware of how to do it now. So that's the beauty about math. you can do it in many ways, in whatever ways that you want, so long as it fulfills the operation of maths. So this is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. So you have 1 minus 8, that gives you the 7 here. And you will get the same answer.
I barely understood.
It's fine.
I'm just gonna not do that.
Because you want the easy, you want the fast way, this is the fast way.
You want the easy.
Either way is fine. You know, you're currently in Sec 3, take your time to figure this out. Stick to what you know best at this point in time.
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
So copy the answer. Make sure you write all the workings out so you can remember.